In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to alert someone automatically in Smartsheet so important updates are communicated instantly without requiring manual follow-up. First, open the Smartsheet sheet where you want to create the automation. Once you're in the sheet, click on the automation menu located in the top toolbar. Next, select Create Workflow. You can either start from scratch or choose a template to speed up the setup process. If you're using a template, search for an alert workflow and select the option that best matches your needs. Now, configure the trigger for the automation. Choose when rows are changed if you want the alert to be sent whenever a specific update occurs. Then add a condition such as status is complete. This ensures the workflow only runs when the selected criteria are met. Once you've set the trigger and condition, move to the alert action. Select Alert Someone and choose the person or group that should receive the notification. You can send alerts to team members, managers, stakeholders, or anyone who needs to stay informed. Next, customize the notification message if desired. Including details such as the task name, status, or due date can help recipients quickly understand what happened without opening the sheet. After configuring the alert, save the workflow and review the settings to make sure everything is correct. Finally, test the automation by updating a row so it meets the trigger conditions. Check that the notification is delivered successfully to the selected recipient. A well-configured alert automation helps teams stay informed, reduces manual communication, and ensures important updates never go unnoticed. That's it. You've successfully set up an automatic alert in Smartsheet. Thanks for watching.